Hello friends, we are back with our another video, and in this video we are going to talk about something related to recent pandemic, that's coronavirus disease. We are going to discuss about the story behind its name as well as the name of the virus which are causing it. To start with, let's first discuss what is virus. As many of us know that a virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Basically, it's a travel kit-like structure which includes its genome or genetic structure or genetic information, and it is surrounded by a protein shell which is known as capsid, and it keeps the viral genome safe. We have heard about different types of viruses, right? You have heard about HIV, influenza, hepatitis C, poliovirus, herpes virus, etc. Now the question comes that what's the difference between this virus and other microorganisms like bacteria or fungus? Basically, virus and bacteria can cause many common infections. To discuss about the differences, bacteria are tiny microorganisms that are made up of single cell. They are very diverse and can have a large variety of shapes. And bacteria can live in almost every conceivable environment, unlike virus, which can live only in the living cell of the host. To talk about the fungus, they are multicellular plant-like organisms, and can get nutrition from plants, food and animals. They can also survive in damp and warm environments. Now, viruses also have different shapes and structures. Like if you talk about coronavirus, it's spherical in shape. There are other viruses which can be cylindrical or the mosaic shape structure, as you can see in the image. Now let's move towards how the naming of the virus or the disease is being done. To talk about this coronavirus, we can say that this disease name is called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19. And the name of the virus which is causing it or its causative agent is SARS coronavirus 2 or severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Now you must be wondering that who used to name the disease or this virus? The disease is being named by the World Health Organization. It's an autonomous body under United Nations, and they are not using official scientific name of the virus while naming the disease. They are also following modern standard by which the disease name can avoid inflammatory connotation, the regional conflict with the people and the places. Like they have renamed French pox as syphilis, they have renamed gay plague as AIDS, Spanish flu as influenza, and recently they have renamed the Wuhan flu to avoid the inflammatory connotations with people and places as COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19. Now, if we talk about the virus, the naming of the virus is being done by an independent organization called ICTV or International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Now, whenever a new virus comes, they used to study their characteristics and features, and they used to classify that whether we can put them in the new group or we can classify into the existing group which already exists in the taxonomy profile. Now, the name of a virus can be done on the basis of the disease, its distinct group, whether it's a member of a new group, its geography, and the organism from which the virus is being isolated. In case of the coronavirus disease, they chose its name by the disease it caused. And not only in case of COVID-19, in case of the SARS coronavirus also or MERS coronavirus also, they have named the virus on the basis of the disease it causes. Now let's go to deep insight of this video. Now whenever a naming is being done, we know that the classification of any particular species can be done in the broader structure to different order, family, genus, subgenus, etc. Right? Now if we talk about the human being, if we talk about us, we know that we belong to the order primates. Now our family is Hominidae or Homininae, which is our subfamily. To talk about our genus, we belong to the genus of Homo, and as we know that our species or the species which we belong is Homo sapiens. And individuum are all different from each other. Like one people is different from the another people, the individuum are all different from each other, but we all belong to a same species called Homo sapiens. Similarly, if we talk about the virus which is causing COVID, they also are having a particular structure, or they are also having a particular classification. Now they belong to the order of nidovirales. Their family name is called Coronaviridae. The genus to which they belong is Beta coronavirus, and their species is SARS related coronavirus. So SARS is not a name of a particular virus, but it's a species name to which different individual belongs to. And the individual which is causing this type of virus, this type of diseases, or which is COVID-19, is SARS coronavirus 2. Now, similar to SARS coronavirus 2, there are other individuum like SARS coronavirus GZ02, SARS coronavirus PC4227, etc. You'll be amazed to know that there exist 2,505 different coronaviruses, and among them only one virus is causing this COVID-19. You get it right? High five. So if you like our video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.